Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Apple EarPods. And as you know, this comes also with an audio jack. And now, believe it or not, these are really good earphones for one needing a really good sound quality for a really low price if you find it on a Black Friday or on a price drop. So let's open up this box and see how it is to have an audio jack on your EarPods. Well, actually opening the box is a much simpler task. One can peel the packaging from this orange pointer, like it's so. And now we can see what's inside the box, apart from the really nice packaging that shows us the earbuds on the back. Okay, inside we'll find the box itself that carries the earpods. You can open it like it's so. And as you can see, this is the audio jack that's gone extinct, and all this wrapping cable around the box. Okay, this is all the material Apple is saving from the new EarPods. And here we have the left and right driver. They only come in white color. And let me close the box that carries no charging station, of course. And let's check out what else is inside the box. Okay, so we have a user's manual, the warranty from Apple. You should check this out, answering any question on their usage. And okay, there's on various languages here. And apart from that, we have nothing else in the box. And okay, let's check out the drivers now. As you can see, we have both left and right driver. They have a pretty good shape. And actually they have a really decent bass for that kind of earphones. And if you already have an old iPod or any other device that is an Apple product, you can use the up and down volume knob. And this is the infamous audio jack that is now extinct. So overall, this is the unboxing of the Apple EarPods. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. From M.A.D, thank you for watching. And hashtag bring the jack back.